Hi, this is Linda Wellman of the Wellman team at Berkshire Hathaway Florida Realty. Today I'm going to do a walkthrough video of a great new listing we have here in Tivoli Lakes in the estate section. It's a Cabernet model. And as you notice as we come up to the front, look how beautiful it's laid out. They have brick pavers that go through all the sidewalks in Tivoli Lakes. It makes it a little unique. It has a real Mediterranean feel. And as we come over to the front, you notice that the homeowners have upgraded their landscaping. It has a nice stone edge. Home has full house of gutters and also accordion shutters. Now this is going to be one of the larger homes in the estate section, and it's 3,018 square feet. It's a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath home. Now as you come in, just notice the beautiful architectural details. There's arches, there's coffered ceilings everywhere. Now this is the great room floor plan. It is absolutely gorgeous. Notice how the owners have opened up at the entrance foyer, so they've created a large marble ledge, which is great for entertaining. You've got a beautiful dining room. But the house just feels so comfortable and feels so tropical when you walk in, and it's just so inviting. Now this floor plan is set up with 3 separate wings. Great when the kids come back in town and come to visit, or if you have any guests that come to visit. Great house for entertaining. The great room is massive. And notice how the whole back of the house is all glass. Really brings the outdoors in. Beautiful dining room, and again that nice marble ledge. And then you have a large archway that opens into a beautiful butler's pantry, well appointed with wood cabinets, granite countertops. They've got some nice sconces. Now on this wing is the 4th bedroom, and it is a full bedroom. It has a closet, nice and separate from the rest of the house. And an absolutely fabulous gourmet kitchen. Notice how the coffered ceiling has drywall box details. Beautiful wood cabinets with a crown molding above, a light balance below. Full granite countertops, and you get a better close-up here of the wood. But it's got granite countertops, a full granite backsplash. Stainless steel appliances, including a slide-in range, undermount sink. You even have a kitchen window. Now this is your breakfast room. But notice how you can actually extend a table into the great room. So if you're entertaining for a large group, I mean, you could have a massive setup here for, 20 plus people. And again, all the glass in the back. I mean, this house is such a comfortable floor plan. Just imagine entertaining your friends, or just really sitting back and enjoying this house. When you walk in, you just feel like you want to sit down. The windows are all framed out in wood moldings. The home was just freshly painted. It absolutely feels brand new. Now on this wing, it's the master bedroom. You have double doors entering into the master. Both walk-in closets have been outfitted. It's got a really large master bedroom. The nice bay window, so you have a little sitting area. Very private. It's on a garden view, so you could just sit there, read a book, look at the landscaping. There's Hunter Douglas window treatments, travertine windowsills. Beautiful master bath, again with the upgraded wood cabinets, upgraded faucets, the mirrors are framed out. You've got a beautiful tile on the floor, nice large corner shower, Roman tub. Very spacious. Get a close-up of the wood. Okay, now we're going to go into the third wing. You can see another angle of the great room. Now this is great if you had a live-in aid or you just wanted some private space, a whole private wing for the grandkids to have. I mean, this is like the perfect floor plan for that. The powder room is beautifully appointed with wood cabinets, marble countertops. It has an undermount sink, oil rubbed bronze faucets, beautifully faux painted, low boy commode. Now there's two guest rooms on this side, and they do share a Jack and Jill bathroom. So you've got some nice cream colored wood cabinets in the bathroom. Nice high baseboards. This house just feels so nice when you're in it. And it's on a very nice private garden view. Patio has been extended, the brick pavers. But you have total privacy back here. Now that backs up to a canal which backs up to Valencia Point. So you're not near any main roads, it's very private. Plenty of room to put a pool. Very tranquil, great for cocktail hour. Tivoli is a great active community, very, very active in tennis. So if you could see yourself enjoying living in this beautiful home, give us a call. We specialize in the active adult market, especially in Tivoli Lakes. We would love to show you and give you a private tour of this beautiful home. Give us a call at 561-676-8886.